Look at Mellow. She's on top of the air fryer. She just wants to be everywhere, close to me. So she's following me wherever I go. I am trying to grill some steak here, and she's there. And then I was just cooking some rice on the rice cooker here. She just likes to watch, I guess. But I know it's dangerous, but yeah, she just likes to be close to me all the time. She's trying to bond, I guess, which is good, but not good when I'm cooking. Right, Mello? Come on, let's go. Get off of there. Come on. Come on. Come on. See? Yep. She just likes to be close to me anywhere I go. I'm carefully watching her, making sure that it's not, she doesn't jump onto the grill. The grill is closed, but it's still pretty hot. It's not that hot, actually. But yeah, I'm just trying to make sure she doesn't do anything stupid. Right, Mello? Come on, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Alrighty then. Alright. How about we eat? Okay. Steak is cooked, one of the steaks. So yeah, let's just go eat. Come on, let's go. Oh. You hear that? It's dangerous. Yeah, see, she just likes to hang out here, I guess. It's sweet. What are you doing there, huh, Mello? Hey, come on, let's go. Come on. Hey, let's go. There's nothing for you here. It's not safe. Come on, let's go. All right, set. Oh. Hey, let's go. Come on, step. You stubborn bird. Hey, come on, let's go. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna set the table so we can eat. Yeah, so I'm just gonna prepare the food so we can eat. Once I give her rice, she'll be willing to come down. Oh, see? Come on, let's go. Come. Let's go. Oh, yeah. All right, let's just go eat.